Hey guys, welcome back. Welcome to my channel. My name is Amanda and this is the Chic Damsel. If you're new here today, thank you so much for watching this video. On this channel, I talk about beginner fashion. I talk about inspiration, how to build a closet, and this is all for fashion beginners. Those who are not so familiar or just want to learn how to construct outfits, what to look for based on their body types and all that good stuff. This is for ladies in their late 20s to early 30s. I also do discuss wig reviews like this video today. So speaking of, today's video is going to be about this beautiful wig that I have on my head right now. This is Sensationnel Zaniya. Now, I have to say I recorded this video already once and I hated the way it turned out. So I decided to film this again. I am going to insert a clip because in that video I did everything unboxing and everything. So I'm going to insert that clip right now and then we'll come back so I can discuss the specs on this wig and my pros and cons. So let's get to it. So here's the wig, Sensationnel Zaniya. I got it in a 1B. I will bring it up close so you can see what it looks like on the stock card. There it is. It's a natural deep part wig and it has baby hair in the front. It says that it's hand tied for a more natural shaped part. So now I'll take it out of the box and we shall try it on. And it's I forgot to mention that it is a lace front wig. Okay, so I really like this style of wigs because I like the angel face, the like wings, like when you curl your hair away from your face, and that's exactly what this wig is. I mean, it's like the Kim Kardashian look in like early 2015, you know, like 2016. The way she used to do her hair, because now it's completely different. So that's the wig. It's a 1B. I can already tell that it's pretty dark. I should point out that the wig is less than $30. It was exactly $29.95. Okay, so as you can see, wow, that is gorgeous. This is the parting space. You have about like up to about 5 inches of parting space. I haven't plucked it or anything. You saw it straight out of the box and it's like really pretty. You don't have to do anything to it really. I like this. So I'm gonna cut the lace now and we shall see what it looks like. Now, when I'm filming this and it is 5 o'clock right now, or almost, it's 4:45, the lighting outside is still coming through my windows and the wig doesn't look as dark as I thought it did in that clip that I inserted. When I took it out of the box and I looked at it, to me, it looked way darker than a 1B. I almost felt like it was a color 1, but this is a 1B. The wig is quite long actually because I am tall. I am 6'2", and the wig falls right below my boobage area, really. I'm trying to show you. Right below my boobage area. I obviously fell in love with the curl patterns, curling away from your face. That's what I was going for. The first thing that I really like is the parting space. Look at this. You get about like 5 inches of parting space, which is amazing. It is a lace frontal, so you can actually shift it on like over one side or the other. I decided to keep it in the middle part because that's how I plan on wearing it. The unit itself now, it's like a light yaki texture. The biggest issue that I have with this unit is that it tangles like crazy. Obviously, synthetic hair in general tangles, but now the reality is it is bad. The clip that I inserted was the first time you saw, took it out of the package. Today is the second time I wear this unit and I literally just put it on my head so I could come to you and show you and film it again. So I haven't touched this wig since I filmed it the first time, and that was like maybe like just a few hours, like maybe 2 hours at the most. So this is the second time and like look, this unit tangles. I can't really run my fingers through it. So that's a biggest con. But then again, that's expected with this, that is to be expected with this kind of unit. And the curl pattern, again, it's not human hair, so you can just run your fingers. But I mean, on the second wear though, like really sensational, that's too early. Usually I get about like at least like 4, 5, 6 good wears out of curly units like this, you know. But yeah, so you're gonna have to carry a paddle brush with you if you want to wear this out. Obviously, I would say this is not the kind of unit that you should wear if you're gonna go somewhere where like you're gonna be really active. This is more of a sit down, have drinks, chill, or like an event type of night because it's bad. And I'm only getting like 2 strands, so that's good. So the unit doesn't shed, it just tangles pretty bad. The other con when I took it out of the box was that I hated how in the front it did kind of like a V shape. So it wasn't completely flat, and you can actually kind of see it on the car, on the stock car. You can kind of see the way it's framing the model's face. So what I did was that I went with my hot comb and I pressed it down a few times to get it flat. Other than those 2 big things, I guess, it's a pretty gorgeous unit. See, now that I brushed it, look, I'm running my fingers and like, it's fine. So I'm not sure what that was about. Once you brush it, you're good to go. But I would advise not to don't run your fingers too much through this one because yeah, it's gonna be bad. As far as the parting space, I didn't do anything. I just cut the lace in the front. I don't leave baby hairs. See? Nothing is left out. I like to do this so I can come to you and you can see exactly what it's like when you take it out of the box. So I don't like to do like baby hairs and stuff. And plus, I'm not a baby. I don't need baby hair. But so I just cut the lace because it's a lace frontal. I just cut it and that's it. I didn't even do anything. I didn't plug the part. I didn't put powder, nothing. Took it out of the box, cut the lace, put it on. Only thing I did was pressing with my hot comb in the middle because it was just like doing that funky bump at the top. It's a really cute unit. I think it's very beginner friendly, very bouncy, so I love it. So tell me what you think. If you bought it, what was your impression? Did you like it, or what was your take on it? Is that a yay or nay? I would give this 8 out of 10 just because of the cut and the curls and the length. Gorgeous. But the tangling for me is the biggest issue. Other than that, I love it. If there are any questions that I haven't answered, please leave them in the box below in the comments. I said box. Leave them in the comments and I will answer them. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.